Number 22 says, if JKLM is a rhombus, find each angle. So we're going to use this one for the angles. And then 23 says, using JKLM, if MN is equal to 20 and JL is equal to 26, we want to find JK. So we're going to focus on this one up here first and then jump down to 23 after. So we do have a rhombus. With a rhombus, we know the diagonals are angle bisectors. So this is 36. This is 36. This is 36. Then, from here, we also know that the consecutive angles are going to be complementary of each other because the middle has the diagonals perpendicular to one another. So, 36 plus a number would equal 90. So all you do is 90 minus 36 to figure out what it is. You get 54 here. That means every other angle is 54 degrees. And just like that, we have filled out every single angle in here. And this is the hard part, just knowing what we're doing. So it says we want to find JKL. JKL would be 36 times 2 because it's both of those together, which in other words would just be 30 or 72. Now it wants us to find MLK, which would be 54 times 2, 108. JMK, which is going to be 36. Then it says MJL, which is 54. Then it says KNL, which is 90. And that's completed for 22. I'm going to redraw this figure so we can more clearly see it for 23. So for 23, we're using JKLM. If MN is equal to 20 and JL is equal to 26, we want to find JK, like I said before, just to make sure we know what we're doing. J, K, L, M. So, I'm using a protractor now, right? Okay, and the center's in. So it says the first thing that MN is equal to 20, then JL is equal to 26. So it is a mid-segment, so this is 13, 13, that's 20. They want us to find JK, a rhombus. By definition, a rhombus has all the sides equal. So it doesn't really matter how we do this, but we do have to use the Pythagorean theorem. Let's just focus on this one because it's going to be the same throughout. So we do have to use the Pythagorean theorem to find what JK is going to be. So I'm going to use this one. And we know that all the sides are equal since we are working with a rhombus, so it doesn't really matter. Just chose this one because it fit pretty nicely. So I draw an arrow from the right angle. And I can see that JM is going to be a value of C, which we don't know. So to use the Pythagorean theorem here, you're going to just do the following. You're going to do 20 squared plus 13 squared is equal to JM squared, or you can just call it C squared for short. What you get, 400 plus 169 is equal to C squared. 569 is equal to C squared. And then when you square root it, you get 569 square rooted. This would get us 23.85. We can just round it up to the nearest tenth. Maybe that'll be the easiest. So our length would be 23.9 is equal to C. So our length of JK is equal to 23.9. There you go. There's 22 and 23.